Hello everyone. So this is the Sitecore Content Hub series, part 1, where we are going to do the first SaaS instance setup. So let's get into it. So basically first when we request the Sitecore Content Hub instance, we would get this URL. I will post this URL with this video, and then we need to log in with our credentials here. So let me just log in here. These are the high level instructions you will receive for the first instance. Basically you need to submit a deposit 350 USD, which is just just a deposit money, but you will actually get charged based on pay as you go, and there is a $50 discount for MVP. Otherwise it's pretty straightforward. Once you log in, you would see all your instances here. So I already created one instance. Creating a new instance, it's very straightforward. You just click there, fill the name of the instance and version. So as per the documentation, it was 4.0, which is somewhere around here. Yeah, it's 4.0. And then a few optional auto shutdown by default is there. You can set up the secondary email and then users. So I just created this setup. It's auto shutdown, and let me restart this container from here, and I will just wait for this start. Okay, so this instance is up and running. Now you can see the status. You can stop. So this is in running status. So this window will give you an option to create multiple containers here and manage each container. So to log into this one, I will just simply click on this one and it will open in a new window. Again, you need to sign in, so I will use sign in with the SAML. So this is the first landing screen, I would say desktop. So it has a few options. So I just created this instance recently, so we will just discuss high level, a few menus and settings, and then in the next part we will go deep into it. So again, this is a landing home screen. It feels like the same, with the Sitecore desktop view. Then there is a products menu. So with the Sitecore Commerce, when you do the integration, so you can create your products here. So if I simply click here, so there is a commerce catalog, product families and products. The second menu is assets. So assets is the place where you would have all your assets here. So there is a workflow in the Content Hub that when you create your assets, it will goes into the create sections, and then it will go into the review section. So this is the assets. So I uploaded 2 assets, but we will re-upload it in the next video. And the collections, you can create your collections of images. I will just quickly click on this collections section. So you would see look and feel. Yeah, so here we can create multiple collections. Create is the, I would say, entry point where we upload the assets. We can upload through either like from the Excel sheet, or we can do drag and drop here. Once you upload, then you would submit this to approval, and this approval will goes into the review part. So if I can show you here. So there is no result, but if I just go into the create part, yeah, as I mentioned, you can submit here for the approval, and these are the options. We can upload a file, or we can import the Excel. So if I just to submit for the approval, then this image will will started showing into the review part. Yeah, so you can see the image is here. Now the next menu is the DRM, where we manage all the assets and the contracts, and then reporting part. So this reporting part is like your dashboard, like how many assets you have, and type, and then you can see all the reporting, and then you can create your own reporting and the dashboard on these sections. Now these are the menus for the content hub, and then here we have two options. One is your profile, so you can change the profile details, download the assets, checkouts, and view your selections and the background processes. Then the main part is the manage your settings. So if I click here, so this is the main area where we see components, all the schema templates in the pages. Okay, so this section basically we will have entity and schema, so we will discuss all these details in the next part. So this is just first part where we just did a new instance setup on the SaaS, and we just gone through the basic menus at the high level and profile and the settings. So thank you so much for watching this video.